Come, let us spill those already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. So remember Umkhokha The Curse, ne? Your favorite drama or whatever it's called. We both love it. You know that, right? Okay, so now it's rumored that these cast members are leaving Umkhokha The Curse. Yes, Ukhulekani is leaving Umkhokha. So the question is, will he be in that mountain until kingdom come? And then it's also rumored ukuthi Unobuntu is leaving Umkhokha. While for me, her role is just, yeah, ayibonakali. So even if a girl exits, it's not much of a loss. But I would really also love to have the old one back. I really, really, really miss the old one. And then also Unomkosi. And I'm like, yeah, when Unomkosi leaves, what's going to happen? Who are they going to serve us? Who's going to be the crazy wife? Like, who's going to be the wife that is poisonous? No, 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 no. But those who know better say they are leaving Umkhokha because the story needs to be developed further and changes often happen in every production. That the nature of this nonsense, right? Written by Tinashe on Facebook post. There are so many reasons actors and actresses are written off besides being fired. So yeah, I guess these ladies are no, these two ladies and this one gentleman are leaving. But me personally, I am going to miss Ukulekane, like his taste of power. It really humbled us. Yes, yes, it really humbled us. It showed me personally, ukuthi I don't want to be any closer to power. And I know, guys, I've been gone for a long time, but I'm back. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Perhaps by the grace of the living God, we will be on 1,000 subscribers by December.